Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper wires. Jumper wires are essential tools for anyone working with electronics, especially on breadboards. They are simple electrical conductors designed to connect different points in a circuit without soldering. You'll find them in various lengths and colors, which helps immensely with organizing your projects. Understanding their basic function is the first step to building effective and tidy electronic prototypes. Jumper wires come with different connector types: male to male, male to female, and female to female. Male connectors have a pin, while female connectors have a socket. Male to male wires are perfect for connecting points within a breadboard. Male to female wires are often used to connect a breadboard to a development board, like an Arduino. Female to female wires are handy for linking two development boards or components that both have male pins, offering great flexibility. When using jumper wires with a breadboard, simply insert the metal pin of a male jumper wire into the desired hole. Make sure it's a snug fit to ensure a reliable electrical connection. A great tip is to use different colored wires to represent specific signals. For instance, red for positive power and black for ground. This practice significantly improves circuit readability and makes troubleshooting much easier when you're building more complex projects. To ensure your circuits are reliable and easy to manage, always keep your jumper wires organized. Avoid excessive bending or pulling, as this can damage the internal conductor and lead to intermittent connections. Choose the shortest possible wire length for each connection to keep your circuit neat and reduce signal interference. Most importantly, always double-check all your connections carefully before applying power to prevent any accidental short circuits or component damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.